Hello everyone, in this video I'm excited to talk about scientists have found more evidence for Nibiru, Planet 9. So I'm going to dive right into this, and basically I've made videos about this before, how this planet exists beyond our solar system a little bit, called Planet 9, Planet 10. It used to be called Planet 10, Planet X, the Roman numeral, and then they changed it to Planet 9 when Pluto was no longer a planet. Just like when UAPs came out, when they used to be called UFOs. They always have to change the name of something that, when a conspiracy theory seems like it's coming out as true, in my opinion, they twist it around a little bit and name it something else. So, scientists are saying they have found new evidence for it, and I will explain what they have found. And I've been waiting for a long time for this since I was a kid, a teenager, when my buddy and I would talk about it, and I was just reading an article in the stream last night, and then I stumbled across some of these things. So I am going to explain more about this. Scientists have published what they claim to be the strongest evidence yet of a mysterious, unknown planet hidden within our solar system. The theoretical existence of the object in question has long fascinated experts who have studied the unusual behavior right on the edge of our solar system. The evidence could explain the unusual orbit of objects on the far reaches, with the object allegedly existing 250 times further away from the Sun than the Earth. The object in question has been called Planet 9, and now a team led by astronomer Konstantin Bogitin believe they've found the strongest evidence yet that it exists. The paper, titled Generation of Low Inclination Neptune Crossing TNOs by Planet 9, is available now on ARXIV. According to Boggington, the new research is the strongest statistical evidence yet that Planet 9 is really out there. The research focuses on trans-Neptunian objects, or TNOs, which are the objects found beyond Neptune on the edge of the solar system. Due to the influence of Neptune's orbit, the behavior of these objects is often unstable and hard to measure, which means experts searching for a possible Planet 9 have often excluded them from their research. However, the new study looks at these TNOs and summarizes that their movements come as a result of influence from another undiscovered planet. After running simulations to better understand how those objects' orbit were affected by a variety of factors, the team claims that the theory of Planet 9 remains the best explanation. Further study will be made possible when the Vera C. Rubin Observatory is turned on. The team of researchers note the observatory is currently being built in Chile, and when it is turned on, it will be able to scan the sky to understand the behavior of those distant objects. This upcoming phase of exploration promise to provide critical insights into the mysteries of our solar system's outer reaches, the team writes in their paper. So I think this is a very interesting and an amazing breakthrough, because remember back in school, some even teachers would say, and I've said this in other videos about this, they would say like, it's not there, it's not real. I'm not talking about anyone specifically, right? But, so basically, in other people, I've encountered growing up. It's like people would say this planet isn't real and we're conspiracy theorists. I'm not saying all conspiracy theories are true, because some of them may not be. Some of them are not true at all. But I do believe there are some things that could be being hidden, and it's good that they're getting this telescope to map the sky and tell us the truth. Because a lot of times, they don't tell us anything. And just like with the aliens, the UFOs, the UAPs, whatever they are, there's something there, and now they're coming out about this and saying that there's something of another planet out there. And I am glad I live in a time period where more of these conspiracy theories and about these aliens and these planets and things are, coming to light. And I accepted it by faith, and I accepted it when I did. My friend was talking about it. I was just like, I did it by faith. And I was going to say, if it's proven wrong, that's okay. I'd rather look like a fool than not believe in something that could actually be there, because it's like, there's a lot of movies and things I saw when they didn't believe that something was going to happen, then it happens. And just it's logic. And our friend and his dad were like, they would talk about it, and then I was filled in about the information. So I think that I would like to know and see when they have this telescope and when they reveal about Planet X, Planet Nibiru, Planet 9, when they finally come out and say, you know what, this is what happened and here it is. So before, like I said in the other videos, that they theorized in California at their institute when they were showing the sky, they were looking at it and there's something there, and now they're really confirming now that it's very likely to be there because there's some movement out there of something orbiting a planet, like moons and stuff. And there's all kinds of objects outside of Neptune, different things, and they come into orbit by Earth. So why do they want to censor the information about Planet 9, hypothetically? It's because it might, eventually it would orbit around our planet. It would come through our planet, and it could cause different things to happen with tides and stuff, possibly. Anything could happen. And you could have people panicking over it, and it certainly would be an interesting thing to see and witness, but there's a point where they can't hide it anymore. On the internet, people have you have videos of ghosts and paranormal things. You have videos of, some things are faked, but there are some things that are unexplainable. There's also the UFO footage and UAP footage, which is, it's the same thing, and alien footage. So there's something out there, and they just were like, all right, let's go tell them what it is. So the message is, and the lesson to learn here, is to believe in something even if other people think you're foolish. And if you're wrong, that's okay. It's better than not accepting something that you thought was right and being found out you're right later. So yeah, just go with your gut feeling also. That's another important thing to do. Go with your gut, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. And that's all I have to say for this video. Thank you for watching this far into it, and feel free to comment your thoughts about it below. Have a terrific day.